Hi guys, I'm Yaode. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see right now, I'm on the ferry to Vancouver, which today I'm going to installing a new set of tire pressure on my car, which this tire pressure will have the same function in the RS model. You can see the tire pressure and the temperature on this screen and also on this screen, which this is really good, especially when you're on the track. You can easily to see the tire pressure and the temperature on your car. There haven't lots of people done this on the internet, but there are a bunch of installers in China can do that, and that's where I got all of the instruction and the parts from. And before that, let me show you what the parts you need. First, you have to get a new set of tire pressure monitor. This is not the same on the S and A model. By the way, this monitor doesn't have the Volkswagen and Audi logo on it, because this manufactured directly from the HUF. I'm not sure I pronounced the right way or not. It spells with HUF. And this is the manufacturer who produce all of the tire pressure system and the tire pressure monitor to the Audi. And the only differences between the Audi one with this one is the Audi one will stop sending the signal to the car when the car is stopped, but this one will keep sending the signal to the car even the car is not running. And also another part is this module. The reason for this module is to receive the signal from the monitor and send the signal to the car, and then you can see the everything on the screen. And also this is the part number. I'm not sure this is for the all of the B9, but I'm pretty sure this will fit on the A4, and this module will be going to install in fuse box in your trunk. And then this is the last part you need. As you can see, this is a bunch of these wires, which I made some notes on it. Then the workshop will be know where they should to put. And this is for the tire pressure module, which is this one. And this go to the fuse box in your trunk. And you have to find a place to hold this one, otherwise it will be moving around. And for this one, you have to put this to your gate weight, which is on the side of your rear seat. You have to take off your rear seat, then you can reach to that gate weight. Then you can put this wires on, and there are two wires for your fuse box, and also those are in the trunk. And that's all of parts you need for this tire pressure function. And after you installed all of this, then the only thing left is to coding your car. And this is also a big problem, because the installers in China, they are using a program called 5054 to coding the car, but in here the workshops are using the VCDS program to coding the car. And also the installers in China where I got these parts from, they cannot offer VCDS instruction. And today after workshop installed all of this, and I'm going to send a remote control to installers in China and let them to remote my computer and then coding the car. I hope everything will be go through very well, and I will show you when it's done. So guys, now it is all done, and it is a new day. As you can see, I didn't have so much time yesterday, so I cannot film it. Now let me take you have a look. And as you can see, let's we close the door. You can look the tire pressure on this screen and this screen. And let me show you this screen first. You can press this button and then go down, choose this one, and you can see the temperature and the pressure. And also you can zoom in, have this view. And for this screen, you just go to the vehicle and service and checks, and this one, and display tire pressure. This is pretty cool and really useful, especially when you're on the track. You know exactly what's the tire pressure and the temperature. The only problem is this one. On this virtual cockpit, you can see entire this vehicle is not a A4 or S4, it is a A5 or S5. However, it's a 5 model. As you can see, this hood, the shape is different. And as you can see, this is a A4 hood. The line on the hood is not that obviously, so this is the only problem. Anything else are perfect. So how do you guys think this new tire pressure system? let me know in the comments below. And if you guys are in BC, Canada, and you want to installing this in a shop, you can go to the RPI Equipped. And this is the workshop I went to, and they are really nice, and they will also do an amazing job for you. However, I think this is really cool and really helpful. So this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.